Well, me buy any born na be see mebusa asem na atimi ato ayen komo so. Madwene ho hu sa be ade bia eya kai ho asoma eno so me yempuntu no ka kire ye to abawi a ye nyaa ban wo so e ma ntimi en focus so embu man no. Ye de amanyo sem ni abatom nsem be kwa 4 years. So this country the 4 years we don't talk about development. We don't talk about welfare. We continue to do politics every blessed day, ably supported by Minumi no Ayete. Because you two we are. From 1992 you to we be saying and the 4 years now has been filled with politics.
It's because we have opposition.
No. But other countries, sometimes when you teach any professors, who can say they will lose. No, but if you say because I'm saying that this is a peculiar problem that is facing us. Now other countries will position one. I'm saying,
if you are not a responsible opposition, let's not
opposition for more criticize. I'm saying, and yet NDC inquire more opposition than make no. 1992 basis Abraham say. One of the things are high say a to a baby a fiachi ni abufunu bia bim agia to a baby no whether good or bad once there's a government in place no the focus should be on building one Ghana and then 2023 tail end and I say 2024 thank you Asha say activity yeah partisan policies now yeah they ban from day one yeah to a baby this 1 million votes
because Charlie 2012 the opposition Neodin Kugo no also me call thank you to thank you to ni nyina mu no or fire to so aban ne be fire.
You are not getting me. No. I'm saying say is there a way out of it now? Because you try way for over 20 years. It's not working for us. It's not helping. Who ebedi baby no mind quite me gibresi ho. We see do or die. We say do or die. We say or die. We say we debate for almost about 2 months as a man. Now your hospitals no any schools are still a biwo under trees. A teacher for entry or mokaye, a biaketriakem, a doctor for mohon and comoyentimi ni weda, more children for yakwaya and your papa. We don't bring out policies that will shape the mentality and forward march of Ghana. It is always unneeded, avoidable partisan politics for every 4-year cycle. How do you expect the country to grow? How? Every day we wake up and it is NDC MPP. When Ghana Water Company were challenges, when ECG were challenges, when MP were challenges, how will we shift from us? And I blame Minumi. Because they be other topics, topics are and you in person. Minumi in the media, a front, Minumi, they be other dear yan. Minumi, dear yan. So we don't solve problems in this country. We just do knee-jerk reactions in this country. And no problem, a person near finding solutions to it. Because Anya's idea, nothing will change in this country. Nothing. It may be by near see Nipa omu yesa pure water, any rubber, any plastic companies in Yano. You can see a betia to Adjune, Amasa companies go a fuck on so Adjomoto, and normal critics always be about it. Some common, you pay 3 seconds near Jow Quentin fee, near the Amano Semabitum. A BIA or Mime Biano, yet the Amano Semtino. We can't even get to real solutions in this country. Because if you raise an issue, obviously the political angle will bring it.
Absolutely.
And do all those things. No, but it's a check. The two of us. We need to start, we should cease fire.
Then it means that if there's a government in power, now yeah, some for opposition and the be bar, and just say can't
no, I buy the manifesto baby on the social contract in some baby I buy away catch. We are not holding the government to check. Opposition or not, no fee or coin. Occasionally,
the opposition will throw in something.
They are throwing is not a problem. But we as a country, what power as media? It is Atinasia, my dear, we are Kwaba, and men can see and opposition transfers our carry. It's not possible. Opposition, you have to put to my own Babeka. But the reality is that yenye petrol no as in a national issue. Yen discussing the pros and cons. It's not about me na one kabeti we fish, me na one kabeti so. But if you now crowd on taxi go so and no another go so. Tinipa buy no need taxi. What's your big deal about it? Ebiso do biso ba wabe deduction woefully inadequate for 2 months. It's not big deal. Yen hwe no. Sa inadequacy for 2 months na yen na. Ese se o man no di nkoma e be man mu nipa no a survival, not a few or a group of people being that they be as or minus satisfied more. We are behaving as if say Ghana is for a certain group of people in MPP and NDC. So unless NDC for bar, no one so be a cartel, no one so certain group of people be now majority of the people down there they are suffering. And then MPP so also na certain group of people be no so more enjoy omokwa na sa na masses now for no so more bread. That is not how we rule a country.
As a challenge, Kwabna.
It is a challenge. Challenges are yet amount of challenges. Yeah, any problem they say we want always to be lamenting and saying challenges and say near Jatwo. They be a one abroad and you better. Now a better. Dear now be a better. Open say better. Also go show the old things. Now this open say better. We have to change certain things in this country by all any other means possible. Because original minister no go so demonstration say on minus person be ya dia ye be ye abobo ya no mu di nsem hunu wo motorway so sa abobo ya create accidents man nyina
come na N1 iso
yeah
between 4 a.m. between 3 a.m. to about 5 a.m. abobo ya almost so be 50
but that's what I'm saying
100
we have to take
a pass a free malam junction they batch motor overhead almost so sa almost kwan ne fa when you least mistake
yes, because of mine, we've not taken positions. Rather, no, we have taken partisan positions instead of the national position we have to take. We are not taking national positions. Or my own decisions is partisan.
Aside partisan, no crime. Political whaler. And so,
but who help the government or push the government or check the government to take those political decisions? That will decision. Media no so akoda. Media na koda. Because we have to ensure that we need to just respond and also act accordingly. But the the same old things. I want enya better. Also do talk untia. Also say enya better. Na dey na even develop my no. Better na enya na do to na untia no. Dey na even develop my no. Only mom illegal connections in this country. Also what you and also unka. And how do we develop the country? A party will take advantage and use it as a political tool. A teacher focus striker, na ye binimu de. A nurse focus striker, na ye bimu de. Ye parents will call strike 2. Ye parents will call 4. Only in this country, you calculate the number of demonstrations and the strikes are labor. Just to say that many times may control here, we call 4.
So the gauge performance of the government.
Yeah. So, Monsieur, your chassis, who ya general free. Sa Nkomana, ya two abaya, ya be your politics, Sakusi 2024. Not only ya be your politics, Sakusi 2020. How do we develop in such a country? How? It's too much.
I think you have a point. Yeah. NDC abeka na MPP abe responde na press conference
the trick here is that none of these people are seeking the welfare of the country. It is their selfish interests. And they come under deceit as if some sum yen. They come under deceit. Nanka Ghana development power from 1992. Ever since now pay. What has been that massive development we can pinpoint to? Accra Kumasi Road Krano. Mimi years could be America. 1989-90. Accra Kumasi Road has not been completed. Why? Let's start talking about these matters are very important to us. Okoye hospital Sibia and nani na Accra unyampa Accra no adaso. MPP and NDC. Can't we hold people who have been given responsibilities in society to check? Oh, yeah, sometimes money pack too much. Robert and Sons now recommend them for one so high problem. Because you say, when we don't do these things to ourselves, what am I kind of be out drinking from home?
Jim FM 106.3.